This is just an announcement to our communities, especially those around the New England Road Landfill site, that this morning from 2 a.m. we received the news that there is a fire. We have deployed enough resources that we believe will be able to manage the fire, contain it to a point where it is extinguished. Our estimation is that by tomorrow morning we should have dealt with this fire unless something drastic happens. Of course, we are still investigating the cause of the fire, but we are encouraging our neighboring communities, those in Ward 37, Ward 36, Ward 33, 35, and neighboring communities to those ones, of course, to make sure that they stay indoors, close the doors, close windows, whilst we are busy dealing with this. Like we said, we have deployed enough resources to ensure that we manage this fire. Let's all work together to provide a safe and a healthy environment for our communities.